Who's the fuck? Oh shit! Who's calling me?
Pick it up. Come on, bro.
Hello?
Finally got your phone number.
Hello?
Hey, how you doing? What's up, bro?
Who is this?
What's up, bro? Come on, bro. You know who it is, bro. Come on.
Who is
it's your
this?
boy.
Is this Big Tom Tommy?
Nah, bro. It's fucking... Yo, bro, first of all, you insulted me fucking comparing me to that guy.
I mean...
I'm well established. I'm a celebrity on Staten Island, bro. You know who it is, bro. Come on. Give me a break. I do your show all the time, bro. You forget about me?
Pete Davidson?
Wow, you meet another fucking Italian guy from a fucking island and you forget all about me? I'm trying to get on the show, bro. Like, they told me that they pay you like $500 if you go on the show, bro.
We don't pay for people on the show.
I mean,
why do you want to be on the show?
Because if you pay me, you know what I'm saying? I can call Julio, get a couple bags, you know what I'm saying, bro? And get right, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Couple packages, you know, bing, 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 you know what I'm saying? And like, that's what I'm trying to do, bro.
Listen,
that's all I'm trying to do, bro.
I don't know.
Also, by the way, I did a song with Shaheem the Rugged Child, and I'm trying to promote it. You know, it's a good single. It's on the soundtrack for the Showtime thing that you guys did. That was a great job of you playing RZA in that documentary. It was amazing.
Okay, listen, we have the #1 show in late night, Desus and Mero.
Yeah.
And
that's what I'm trying to get on.
We have nothing but illustrious guests. We've had AOC on there.
Yeah. She's a cool broad.
We had Spike Lee.
She's She's Puerto Rican.
Why should you be on there? What are you promoting?
I mean, like, you know, like a fucking. I saw John Turturro on the subway one time. He was in Do the Right Thing, and Spike Lee directed that. So it's like, you know, 6 degrees of separation. You know what I'm saying? Like, I go on the show, boom, then bang bang bing, and they start to happen. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm blowing up right now, bro. I don't know if you check my Instagram. I got 338 followers, bro. I had 337 last night. You know what I'm saying? I got another one, bro. I'm blowing up huge on social media, bro. Come on, give me a shot,
yeah,
bro.
I don't think you're gonna be.
Come on, bro. Come on, bro. But I didn't want to do this, bro. Please. I'm on the phone, but I'll still suck your dick, bro. Put FaceTime.
All right. We gotta go.
Just turn FaceTime out. Put your dick on the phone, and I'll suck it,
all right,
bro.
I'm hanging up.
Please, bro. Please. I just need a bag.
You know what? I'm hanging up. Talk to Tommy. Bye.
Fuck. This fucking guy, bro. I gotta call Mero, bro. He's not gonna fucking pick up the phone. He's got fucking kids and shit, bro. Maybe I could blow him? I don't know. Fuck. Shit. I don't even know what fucking episode this is, bro. Fucking... It's fucking episode 161. Yankee Stadium edition. Brings back memories of when I used to go over there and cop from Julio when he was actually on time and picked up his goddamn phone. Do the fucking job, bro, before I jump off this fucking bridge. God damn it. I will be on Desus and Mero on Showtime. You will see me there. That is my dream. My princess told me never give up on my dreams. I'm never to New York. Do the fucking drop. Let's go. My fucking guts are in knots. Jesus Christ.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Live from Milk Studios. Do the drop.
Yo, episode 161, Yankee Stadium edition, or Bookings edition,
depending on how you feel,
or Car edition.
You know what I'm saying?
If you're a Bronx nigga, you take that 4 trade in your life. You're either going to lose your kids, go to jail, or see the Yankees win, or maybe shoot up dope in McDonald's with white people next door to you.
Let me tell you
Stuffing
something.
McDoubles in their pocket before they go in Yankee Stadium because the prices at the Hard Rock are outrageous.
They're outrageous. Let me
Yo,
tell
you know what it is,
man.
Talk to the Mero.
Bronxite in the building.
Bronxite.
You know what I'm saying? True Bronxite. Went to fucking get married in a courthouse. You know what I'm saying? Same courthouse niggas done been booked in. You know what I'm saying? Same fucking filthy ass McDonald's with fucking numbers on the wall talking about call this number for a good time. I didn't even know they did that in this fucking millennium.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying? They still doing it.
They do like Instagram hashtags now. Shout out to 161, 161st. You know what I'm saying? If you're from the Bronx, you have memories of that block.
At some
they got
point.
the little tunnel right there.
You either went to a game, court, you married your
the
baby
movies
moms.
is right there. Right there.
You know what I'm saying?
One of the last movie theaters. Saw Belly in there.
Yep. And you can slide down the banister if you got balls. You know what I'm saying?
I saw Belly there with my boo at the time. Her name was Imani. And she was sitting next to a guy. And every time they showed a gun on the screen, he would say what the gun was and what the bullet capacity was. And she was like, could you tell him to shut up? And I was like, you tell him to shut up.
Excuse me?
I was like, that's not my beef.
Oh, so you're going to tell me to tell a gun expert to shut up? Okay, cool. Yeah,
and then
for
a 40 rolled down the rolled down from the back. It was some hood shit. And I had that thing on me. So let's get into things.
You know what I'm saying?
Because you know what? We came in to do a podcast.
Yes.
Because that's what people want from us.
That's what you want.
And you know what? Not to be dickheads. We're basically Jimmy Iovine and Dr. Dre at this
That's
level.
it,
We
bro.
don't need to do this.
Right.
We do this out of the goodness of our hearts.
You know what I'm saying?
Mero was shopping for a house in Calabasas.
Yeah.
I was looking, I'm going to buy Greenland.
Man.
But,
You know what I'm saying?
we're going to do a podcast.
Make it more green. You know what I'm saying? Stop
Yeah.
growing weed out there and shit.
I'm going to turn Greenland into just a wild weed dispensary.
Pow.
Boom.
You know what I'm saying? Look at the vision, B. What other podcast is giving you vision like this, nigga? Nobody. Bro.
Nobody.
You know what I'm saying? Pay attention.
Who can love you like that?
Nobody.
Who can hold you like that?
Nobody. You know what I'm saying? Had to do a turtleneck on real quick.
My man Keith Sweat.
You know what I'm saying?
Sweat the God who clearly still has a cocaine flow in Harlem.
Hell yeah.
You're not fooling us, Keith Sweat.
For him, he got the I'm the nigga that's popping at the fever outfit on at all times.
Still.
He's the only nigga that escaped Happy Land and shit because he was so rich.
He's the nigga that make you drive in a cab and the cab gotta turn 3 times before you go to your house and shit, so you get confused. Yeah.
Shout out to Keith Sweat, yo.
That's how they used to do it. Now you got these new guys, you know, they got the crack in their butthole.
Oh no, you don't
Yo,
do that.
shout out Problematic Light. Shout out to the My Pillow guy. Ex-crackhead.
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 We just learned that.
Worth 300 million.
Yo,
Used to smoke the krills.
you know what I'm saying?
Stopped in 09.
Stop. Stop. He's
Stop in 09. What did you stop doing in 09? Because I remember 2009 vividly.
Yeah, I was like, bro, I stopped doing like actual like drugs in 09. Like,
Apparently everyone did.
you know what I'm saying? But
But you
just
weren't
like,
doing crack.
I wasn't smoking crack.
There's a
I'm like,
someone
fam.
was like, there's a stigma to crack. Yeah, nigga.
Yeah, nigga,
Yeah,
you
nigga.
should become a crackhead, nigga. What the fuck? Bro, when I used to go to the fucking supermarket on Randall right there, and niggas would come out and be like, bro, you need help loading up your car? I'm like, no, I don't need help loading up my car.
Nah, you're not gonna find out where I live.
You know
nigga.
what I'm saying? Because you're just gonna scuttle into the projects with my platanos, nigga.
Listen.
I know your tricks.
People think crack is good. The only thing crack is good for helping you do is front flips.
Yep.
And completely unrelated to that, shout out to Chris Brown on his new album. It's like 40 tracks.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Just throwing that out
Just
there.
mad tracks. Just mad tracks.
That's
bro.
crackhead energy.
Yo, that's super crackhead energy.
He probably did like 40 tracks in 1 hour.
in 1 hour, dog, sweating.
Like the sound engineer was like, yo, chill.
Yo,
chill.
Yo, so I gotta stop. I gotta cut.
They did
At
one
point,
long Pro Tools session and it was just like, yo, niggas doing the most with the cut and paste. Like,
engineer looking at this shit like, man, where do I cut this shit?
Clippy showed up
fuck.
like, yo, it looks like, yo, what the fuck? Like, nigga, why? Like, come on, fam.
Is this an opera, nigga? Why is this shit 40 hours long? The fuck is this? Yo, come on, Breezy. You know what I'm saying? But he does have that crackhead energy, bro.
Right.
You know
But
what I'm
crackhead energy could be good.
saying? It could be. It's a double-edged sword.
Double-edged sword.
It'll either kill you or make you stronger.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
There should be more animes about, like, there should be an anime about someone who smokes crack before they fight people.
Crackubon. You
Crackubon.
know what I'm saying?
Oh, Crackubon.
Crackubon. No.
Crackubon. A giant lizard appears over the Bronx. Who can stop him? It's Crackubon.
Crackubon. I'm here now.
Crackubon, his crack powers are over 9,000.
You think you can defeat Crackubon? You can never. I pull out my magic glass dick.
Crackubon resides in the majestic majesty of Daytop.
After they close his origin story is like, they closed OTB. Crackubon had nowhere to go.
I wandered Fordham Road and 3rd Ave. Just me. He's carrying one crack rock in a satchel.
Oh my goodness.
I studied at many crack dojos to learn the different crack ways.
West Farms.
Twin Parks East.
You know what I'm saying?
Mitchell houses.
Millbrook.
It's him.
Edenwald.
He's meditating over a crack rock. Crack. Give me that rock.
Nigga turn a crackhead lighter on to like a million and just be like, yo, you think you defeat Crackubon, eh? Yeah. Niggas just walking full left. Nigga just rips a car in half for no reason.
Cracktivating.
Yo, he's cracked. That nigga rips an Uber. Yo, that had nothing to do with the fight. Why'd you rip that Uber in half? I am Crackubon. They just pan to the villain like mad fast, like he's just saying it like.
Desus and Mero do not help the black or brown community. They're making an anime based on crack, which decimated the black and brown community in the 80s and the 90s. Why are they so socially irresponsible? Ever since they got money, they don't care about the community anymore. Get these guys out of here. They're terrible.
Oh, but guess what? We're going to flip it on them, pal. All the crackheads are from fucking, they're Irish and they're from Edgewater Park.
What the fuck is wrong with you? Oh, wow. It's true. It's true.
Shout to Irish Harlem.
Shout to all my people smoking crack out of potatoes.
Yeah, son.
Imagine like crackhead leprechauns and shit.
I can say that shit because I went over there to hoop one time and niggas called me the N-word several times.
Exactly.
So fuck y'all niggas.
Also, the person that called us the N-word on Bedford Avenue in
still
Williamsburg
has not come to justice.
not been caught.
You know what I'm saying?
Fam, we got real money now.
Yo, find that motherfucker, bro.
Fatwa is still in effect.
You see what I'm saying?
You find my man, he's still wearing that Hollister shirt.
With Hollister V-neck with the flip flop, with the toes out, and you know when a nigga walking, their toes is not flat on the flip flop, they raised up a little bit.
Raised
and you
up.
see the dirt under that shit.
Ew.
Yeah, you nasty motherfucker.
Ew.
He's like, what are you gonna do? Just standing like a bunch of niggers? Nigga saying that shit.
I was like, why'd you say niggas like a Broadway play?
Yeah. Well, are you auditioning?
Also, why did you crash into two cars to escape when we ran up on you?
Yeah. I think did the demolition derby. He's like, gong, gong,
Nigga crashed into two cars and ran a red light. If you scared, say you scared, my nigga.
Get a dog, nigga.
All right.
You scared, get a dog, stupid.
Oh, shit.
Nigga was out of there.
Yo, shout out all my gay niggas is Pride.
Yo, Pride
That was very,
gang, you know what
that
I'm
was
saying?
very aggressive, but y'all feel the energy.
Respect it.
Shout out to y'all.
You know what I'm saying? The Yankees
cool.
beat the Blue Jays yesterday, and the Blue Jays had the little rainbow logo and shit. You know what I'm saying?
There was a controversy because I think they were advertising ads to Trinidad or some shit, but it was right next to the rainbow, and some people on Twitter didn't feel that was appropriate.
Okay.
Listen, God's working on all of us.
Yeah, God working on all of us at different countries at a different pace. Okay,
Yeah.
so let us live, B. We don't have the resources in the West Indies that we have here.
No, they gotta get with it. They gotta get with it. It's 2019. Like now, it's not even.
Send some books over.
Before it used to be whimsical. You're like, Jamaica hates gay people. Like that was just like getting your hair braided. Like now, it's like, all right, enough is enough.
Yo, I gotta chill.
Also,
Chill.
as I always say, if Jamaica ever wants to be a first world power, they have to legalize weed.
Yep.
And they can't do like St. Thomas and all stuff and like make all their economy off of tourism. But like, listen,
Legalize bud, dog.
Listen, legalize the weed.
You see what happened
White
with
people
Obama?
legalizing weed, bro. We got to get in top of it.
Get in front of that shit, bro.
I don't want to buy
Stop
my weed
playing.
from Chad, bro.
Come on, dog.
Like, yo.
You think I want to go in there and talk to fucking Tyler about the fucking strains?
Okay.
Oh, this is really good for anxiety. Like, if you're trying to get a good night's sleep, this is it.
I'm about to say something very wild, so I'm hitting the problematic like right now.
Hit it.
It's not appropriate for your weed man to be a woman.
Oh. Because they don't got the same tolerance?
No, it's just not proper. If you're a dude, you shouldn't cop from a woman.
Oh, okay.
Is that problematic?
I feel like it's not. I feel like it's.
My feelings also extend to commercial airline pilots.
Wow! Wow! Misogyny boys in the building. Keep them in the kitchen. Yeah.
Oh, shit. And again.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm on the operating table. I'm like, whoa, a lady doctor?
Who is this broad?
Whoa, this broad's gonna cut me open.
Whoa. Hey, take it easy.
How's she gonna stop me from bleeding when she bleeds every month? Whoa.
What the fuck is going on here?
Yeah, this is our new sitcom called the 80s Boys.
I'll apply my own pressure. Thank you. All right?
What are we gonna do when the WNBA eventually merges with the NBA?
Yo, that shit's gonna be so wild.
Because you have a daughter.
I do, and it's gonna.
I can't. I don't want to be. A cash grabbing grifter. But listen, that first ad of Mero taking his daughter to a WNBA game.
Yo, we never thought this could happen.
And he takes a selfie with her, and niggas is wild. He does hashtag like daddy daughter first game, and everyone's like, "Oh, Mero's so touching and shit." And I'm in the back, like rubbing my hands, like, "Yeah, nigga,
get that shmoney, nigga." Then we just doing the shmoney dance in the back and shit. And then he catches on camera. We just stop like.
They're like, "Sir, why are you smoking a cigar?" I'm like,
Shut the fuck up. Shut up.
Because I'm rich, bitch.
Shut up.
I'm rich, bitch.
That's gonna be wild, and it's gonna be wilder to see like somebody like LeBron just yamming it on fucking like fucking what's Shorty's name? Diana Taurasi or some shit. Like, you think it just step in Shorty's chest?
Zion goes up. Oh, you hate to see it.
You hate to see it. My God.
She gets wheeled off the court like Paul Pierce. No, I mean, eventually they're gonna. But you know what? Like, I can say that because I feel this is a prediction. I feel like basketball is gonna merge with women's basketball from way before baseball does.
Oh yeah,
baseball is not having that. No. Baseball is like, nah, we will just stop playing.
Yeah, well, yeah. NFL's like, yo, we'll just turn this shit off.
This.
Yeah, fuck this. Right
turn
here.
off the lights.
Yeah, turn off the lights. I will say though that the only sport that like is almost like is the same is. Correct me if I'm wrong, soccer god.
Football
is women's soccer and men's soccer.
No. Excuse me.
Like I watch women's soccer.
It's called football.
No.
Oh, footy.
Yeah, it's called footy.
Fam, they're not really advertising, but the FIFA Women's World Cup, I'm tuning in. People don't know that's just about to start.
Are they favorites? Are they like underdogs? Are they middle of the pack? How they doing?
It's been US for a while.
Yeah?
Yeah.
They've been crushing it?
I feel like
because I remember being mad smacked and being like, yo, Meg Rapinoe. I was like, yo, am I saying her name right? I'm like, yo, that shit sounds mad problematic. I'm like, yeah, just in case.
No, I watched that. I have no idea how it went. Remember, it was a long time ago. Yeah. Remember that time the women's soccer won and Shorty pulled her shirt off?
Yeah.
That was like a big deal. I believe. It was the same year.
96? No, that was no way. That was 96.
Brandy Chastain.
That was 96?
China in penalty shots.
Throwback.
Bro, that was back in the day. That was
Shorty's bro. She's doing commentary now, dog.
That was Mia Hamm, and I think she wasn't even married to Nomar yet. Yeah. That's how long ago it was.
Facts.
I watched that in standard definition.
Yes. Yes.
If you go back and watch that in standard definition, I'm just like, how could we tell? This looks like an Etch-a-Sketch.
Wow.
I'm like, yo, she took off her jersey. She has another jersey under it. What happened? Why the colors different?
Yeah, bro. And she's actually complaining that she has not complaining. It's not a complaint. She believes she has CTE now.
Oh wow!
Soccer?
For soccer,
yeah, just had to get dark for a second. Yeah,
from like collisions or the ball or what? Just
from heading the ball because they do it from such an early age, and then also a lot of like the older like England national team players. They're on the record as saying because they used to play with the wild heavy like leather soccer ball, and it's always raining in England, so that used to soak up water.
Yeah.
And look at that. You can't bash your head against the ball for 20 years and not have any side effects.
Well, would you look at that?
Preach, Victor.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Talk to him.
No, that was right. I was literally going to say, just cut all of this, please.
No. Victor's the knowledge guy.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to Victor.
You know what I'm saying? You need that knowledge.
That on Friday, boys.
Shout out to the Victor.
You know what I'm saying?
Because if it wasn't for Victor, we wouldn't have the podcast.
That's very true.
Let's keep it funky.
That's true.
Can I get it right here?
You know what I'm saying?
If it wasn't for Cash App, we wouldn't have the podcast.
Ha ha! Yeah. And when that Cash App marketing is like, what the fuck? How are they so good at this? You know what? Shit, is that part of the podcast? We got to do Dick Flu Solo. What amazing thing has the check us on the cover of Hype Beast.
Oh yes,
you know
digital cover Hype Beast. We out here.
You want to see Desus dressing like,
you know what I'm saying?
Nigga just bought all the clothes. Like I'm dressing like the wild credit card scammer on that shit. Bro.
He's dressed like he's like, yo, fuck you, Woody Allen. Give me all your shit and
bro,
get the fuck out.
I have on a Yankee jersey, a Brooks Brothers shirt, and a Gucci hat, and a trench coat.
Yes.
I look like I'm about to drop the wildest Dead Prez acoustic album ever.
Oh, my God.
Just playing Mind Sex on a ukulele.
Oh, my God,
what's up, Ma? You like croutons?
He just pulls out the acoustic guitar and shit.
Futon?
Yo, he pulls out the acoustic guitar in that fit, nigga, and then the panties start flying.
That's how I'm starting dressing. I'm tired of doing, because right now, you know, I do the Bronx matchy. Whatever the shirt is, matches the sneakers.
Yeah.
Simple hood guy is work forever. Might switch it up on y'all, throw on some camel shorts. No more like that. From now on, I'm dressing like a pedophile.
Speaking of pedophile, shout out to the My Pillow guy.
I'm gonna start dressing like I like Alexander Wang's swag, the whole all black, but I have too many pets.
Yeah,
because then I have like mad cat hair and shit. And I can't do the back of it, but I have to find just a signature style, and I think maybe I might just do like one outfit.
Like Bart Simpson flow?
Yeah.
Just rock that shit everywhere. Yeah. That's
who was you remember your joke on Desus vs. Mero? Your Tom Wolfe joke?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just gotta keep it Tom Wolfe.
This guy,
you know what I'm saying?
See, I made a Tom Wolfe joke and brought up for 3 episodes.
You know what I'm saying?
And if you watch the end of Desus vs. Mero, I clearly say on camera, I will never be on video with this guy ever again. You thought?
You're welcome, America.
We have the number one show in Montenegro and shit. Like, nigga, this shit's a mess.
Yeah,
I feel like Showtime's just fucking with us. This is like a long documentary, and they're just gonna pull the plug at the end. We're gonna be like, whoa. They're gonna be like, none of this was real.
Yo,
none of this was real.
It's just a 30 for 30. They're like,
what would you do if you had the number one show in late night and it all came crashing down?
This is like, yo, we inflated all the numbers. Victor pulls off. It turns out Victor pulls off his face. It's like David Nevins. I'm like, what?
He pulls off his face. He's Paul Ricci. Like,
wow.
Look at this.
Straight girly mouth.
You're gonna see this shit like 3 weeks and be like, damn.
Y'all some messy boys. Y'all some messy boys.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
And he made it that way.
Yeah.
Like we said early on, it's just Hollywood, baby.
It's just Hollywood, baby.
It's just Hollywood, baby. Ain't no hard feelings. Okay?
You know what I mean?
You know what I'm saying?
Come on, man. Imagine LeBron would have went to college. Imagine if LeBron would have went to college.
As Fat God, I have to interject and say, for what?
For what?
Exactly.
What are they going to teach
That's
him
what
to
I'm
do?
saying.
Exactly.
Because that's what they was telling us when we was there. They were like, yo, you need to go to college first and learn the game. And we was like, you know what? We fucking superstar generational talents.
Narrator's voice. Who was the person in a conference room that advocated for the brand and looked crazy? Who was the person that stood up with his chest and was yelling? Who was always the one yelling at niggas? And y'all think I'm Kanye, but I know what the fuck we bring to this part. Y'all know it.
Yeah, you got
All right?
this one. You got this one. You got this one.
Okay? And what did I say? I said, where is our show? I said, where the fuck is our show? And y'all niggas looked at me like I was crazy. Okay?
All
and
right,
I was like, and in my head, I was like, if I do this, everyone is going to jump up behind me and have my back. Did they? Did they?
I mean,
did y'all?
Yo, we spend all day together. Just give me a heads up. I made $11,000 that year.
Yo.
Like, it was real shaky. You know,
Yo, fam,
move.
there was no silence.
You're gonna pass.
There was no silence.
You're gonna get in that lane. That's all I'm saying.
There's literally no silence, like the silence of you bucking up against a network exec, and no one says anything afterwards.
No, because look,
Because I was like, I'm ready for the show. Are y'all ready for the show? And everyone was like,
I'm gonna play both sides of the fence here. My man is correct. The natural talent was there. It was evident. It was oozing out of us. But also on the victim side, you know what I'm saying?
I was below the poverty line.
You know what I'm saying? Niggas is broke. Niggas is broke. We was trying not to
quote Erykah Badu, I am an artist. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, I'm serious about my shit.
The anime sweat developed in that meeting, by the way. That's where I created the anime sweat.
But listen,
when Kanye went off, remember when they cut to Chris Tucker? I was Chris Tucker.
Yeah.
I'm not saying I disagree.
But listen, you guys know me. I'm passionate about the art.
He's a passionate guy. You know what I'm saying?
Because I remember I remember my mother was in the living room, and it was our first meeting with MTV2, and I had on a shirt, and I said to her, I was like, "Yo, we have a meeting with MTV2," and she was like, "You gonna wear that?" And I was like,
Excuse me? Wow, okay.
But shit worked out. I've yelled at a lot of people about my level of talent over the course of my life. I know what we bring to the table.
Of course.
You know what I'm saying?
You gotta do it.
And you know, this is. That's what people like. I think there's because shout out to Dan Lebatard, not to drop names, but he said that we exude a confidence that other people do not.
That's true. You know
because we survived the Bronx. What else is left? What else is left?
This, you know what I'm saying? We do it.
We are the John McCain of the Bronx.
I mean, that's it. Except we can lift our arms. We could be like, hey, at the party.
Wow. You see, I already pressed the problematic. Like, I'm pressing it in.
Megan McCain bust through that door.
By God, that's Megan McCain's music. That's Megan McCain's music.
All of it do is yell,
my father was a veteran.
And then let her go to work.
That's Megan McCain's music.
It's a gorilla.
You see Desus and Mero getting dragged around their habitat by a gorilla, and you're telling me you're concerned about the welfare of the gorilla? What is wrong with you people?
Oh my!
These are the Bodega Boys, the Plantain Supernova, Young MC Little Gunga P. How dare you? What a gutless move!
Oh man! Also, me and Mero have been working on a new single. We were reworking a 80s classic.
You know what I'm saying?
Don't worry, be trappy.
Yeah.
I got an 8-ball, make it cook.
Hey.
I got the Glock, I am a crook. Don't worry.
Hey.
Be trappy. Don't worry, be trappy.
Don't worry.
Niggas got our shirts off and shit.
Just barefoot and shit. Like, yo.
Victor got no shoes on. He's like dancing in fucking wild coke on the floor.
Yo, may always been humble, but me like I take a dumble. Need that bundle on decky. Don't worry. Be trappy.
Don't worry, be trappy. Yeah, I'm still mad we were not Timon and Pumbaa and Lion King.
Yo,
facts, Seth Rogen, you're the homie. You're the homie. But you know what it is.
You know.
I saw a scene and it's like they were walking in and they're like, oh, we're here to save the day. And I was like, if I came in riding on your back and I was like, you're
yeah, what's up? What's up? What's shaking? Yo, what's popping?
Yo, who runs the Serengeti, my nigga?
What's good?
Yo, free wobbles, my nigga. What's up? Yo, Simba, what's shake? Yo,
them hyena niggas is pussy.
Yo, them niggas killed your pops when you don't ride on them. What's up? Yo, free Bobby, free Rowdy, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. BX all day, you know what I'm saying?
Gang shit, Serengeti, nigga.
Yo, recipes Junior, you know what I'm saying? We riding.
You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Rafiki got the burn upstairs.
Let's go see that nigga right now.
Ride out.
Yo, my nigga, you want to smoke on this grub?
Fuck it, let's get it. You know what I'm saying? Let's ride a giraffe. Let's do a giraffe by
right there.
You know what I'm saying?
We just beat the shit out of a gazelle for no reason and shit. Yo, Simba, you want in on this? We jumping this nigga in.
Yeah. He's like, yo, thanks for not eating me.
Yeah,
appreciate it.
Come on.
He's like, yo, you gang now, nigga. Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying? You a double agent.
Let's do Lion King, but it's just a pit bull. Just a pit bull in the Bronx. She's just holding him on the top of Fordham Road like, it's the circle. Wait, circle of life, but in Spanish. It's the
Círculo de vida.
It's Michael Anthony holding. It's Mark Anthony holding a pit bull and shit.
He's like, yo, I got this pit bull for sale, bro. Blue nose pit, bro. Purebred, bro.
You've been banished from the Bronx.
Bro. Come on, bro. It's a beautiful dog. Look at it. It can walk. I'm going to put it down. Shit got hit by the tour bus.
Felix. Instead of Simba. Felix wandered Van Cortlandt Park after being banished from East Tremont.
Yo. Oh, shit. Shout out to Van Cortlandt Park. Niggas are still doing animal sacrifices out there.
Of course.
You know what I'm saying? Gang.
Shout out to my Irish homegirl, Maeve, who lived in...
Maeve? That sounds like the Walt Fable character.
No,
and shit. Like, yo, you've met Fave.
No, it gets worse. She was like one of the top river dancers in the country.
Oh, shit.
She was not... Listen, she was wild. So I went to her birthday party in Woodlawn, you know, where all the Irish people stay.
Yeah.
And then we went to Van Cortlandt Park. But because I was trying to do the flex, I rode my BMX bike up there. Ooh. And I caught a flat. Ooh. And catching a flat on your bike as a kid is devastating.
Fam, because now you got to carry this fucking 50,000 pound object.
Yeah.
Because when you're a kid, a bike feels like it's 1,000 pounds, especially the BMX like fucking tricky joints.
Because I had the dyno, you know what I'm saying?
Ooh,
which I'm not
with the Y.
Little GT dyno? Little GT dyno?
Shout to Marquise who stole it from a kid in Scarsdale. So anyway, so we go and like I'm all upset because I have the flat tire and shit. And we go to her house and she's like, oh, it's my birthday party. We're going to go party in Van Cortlandt Park. And we go to Van Cortlandt Park and her mother's like, yo, don't go by the psycho ward. And I was like, excuse me?
The what?
The what? And she's like, there's a psycho ward in the middle of Van Cortlandt Park, and sometimes the patients come out. I don't know if this is true or not, but to this day, I do not fuck with Van Cortlandt Park whatsoever. It's so big, you don't know. And also, shout out to College of Mount St. Vincent. Because College of Mount St. Vincent is on like West 242nd Street. I used to live on East 233rd Street. Now, I'm not a math major,
okay,
but I know 242nd, 233rd, it's not that far.
Yeah.
You just got to cut across the golf course. Or so I thought.
Yeah, you thought.
Next thing I know, I'm in Connecticut, bro. Like, the shit was wild. I was just walking for days, and I was in Wallabies.
Yo,
my feet were hurting. They was like, you fucking Wu-Tang heavy.
Oh, okay. You catching the 2 to West Farms, and then you catching the 9 all the way down, nigga. Okay, I see you, player. And then you catching the 1. Okay.
Shout out to Robert Moses for fucking up the Bronx.
Yeah, I mean, but low key, he fucked up the Bronx, but he kind of made it not unjustifiable, but inaccessible.
Well, here's the problem. Every time people say the Bronx is ungentrifiable, I look at the house a block away from my house. Yeah. They have $2 million lofts. It's called Riverview because you can see that little dirty ass river between the Bronx and and the Harlem. And the apartments are pretty trash. But I mean, the gentrification is coming. The thing you can't stop gentrification. It just comes.
It just happens.
It just happens. You just gotta survive it.
Just happens.
Just gotta survive. It's like a drought if you're a drug dealer.
But I feel like, correct me if I'm wrong. Also, if you have any information on the subject, also you. The South Bronx is getting pushed north. You feel me? So like,
well, see, here's the problem. In order for that to be true, that would mean like people from the north were leaving the north. People from the north are not leaving the north. They're comfortable. So people from the South Bronx are not going to the north. They're going to like Allentown. They're going to like the Catskill, the Poconos and shit like that.
Don't do that.
Pushed out because where else can you afford it? And then you can get like a house in like fucking the Poconos for $200,000.
Yeah, that's true.
Like
that's why I got niggas up in like upstate being like, yo, I'm from the Bronx, nigga. I'm
exactly.
Like, yo, fam, you lived in Buffalo.
That's why you get wild good heroin in Allentown. Okay, once that, let's say everyone used to work at that fucking JCPenney's or Sears or Macy's, and now they moving that sweet Lady H.
Listen, I'm sad to say, but it happened in the Heights, bro. That's why I went up to fucking like Reading, Pennsylvania and shit, and there's mad Dominican niggas up there like, yo, papi. I'm like, yo, what the fuck?
You make a wrong turn, you don't find the factory outlets, you're gonna find some dope. And I say this as a person that used to go to Reading, Pennsylvania, because why? They have a Timberland outlet.
That's right.
All right. I used to do bus trips to. You know what? We're bringing back bus trips. Bodega Boys bus trips.
Yo.
Matter of fact, we gotta do that. We gotta do the sex boogie entertainment vibes.
Yes, party bus shit.
Ski lounge, weekend, DJ Hasan.
You know what I'm saying?
Fucking Saturday night for the big girls lingerie
party.
What I mean? Yeah. What's up? What's up?
You know what I'm saying?
I never knew.
Shit.
Hey, what's up? What's up? My name is Tanisha. I work at the DMV. Yo, shout out to my kids and my grandkids, but mommy has a life.
Yo, you know what I'm saying? Yo, this Killer Black, you know what I'm saying? From 167, I want to shout out my man.
Shout them out, nigga.
You know what I mean? I want to shout out my nigga, you know what I'm saying? Big Black, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? My nigga Murder Mike, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Word up.
Word up.
Peace and love, you know what I'm saying?
You're talking about your album, God.
Word, God. You know what I'm saying? Got the album coming. It's called Kill a Nigga in the Face, you know what I'm saying? Volume 5, you know what I'm saying? Shit is fire, you know what I mean? Just trying to do positive things for the youth. You feel me? We selling merchandise, you know what I'm saying? With the Kill a Nigga Records logo.
Yo, your gun still bust?
Yeah, you already know. You already know. You know what I'm saying? We stay. Listen, nigga, I stay ready, so I ain't got to get ready. You understand what I'm saying?
Yo, sleep in peace, Miss Johnson.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, word up. Yo, sleep in peace, Miss Johnson. Yo, we live for Bentley's. My man Sex Boogie over here holding me down. You know what I'm saying? It's the guy right there. You know what I'm saying? Entertainment vibes, yo. Peace.
Entertainment vibes. Sex Boogie in the building. You know what it is. DJ Hasan on the one and the two. We just having a good time. We're gonna go through this video right now. Right now, we got Ray J. Just one wish. That's Entertainment vibes. We out.
Live from Bentley's. Yo, we just talked to Hasan about that pitch, and he was just like,
I think we need to move Lonzo.
No problem.
Oh man, they need to bring. They don't have watch parties no more.
No, they don't.
What was the last watch? I mean, they don't even do.
You know what it is? The last watch party that I saw but didn't attend was when we did the cruise joint, and they had the all white party.
Yeah,
in the docked up in the boat before our shit, and it was all white linen, all DMV workers.
We gotta do some shit. We gotta do like a big party for the culture.
Yeah,
we're working on it.
Like, you know what I'm saying? Like Essence
we got
Fest.
some things planned.
You know what I'm saying?
Y'all.
But for like,
y'all gonna enjoy it.
That middle ground, like,
because listen, as we level up, the experience for our fans level up.
You know what I'm saying?
So you know what I'm saying? We got some things in the chamber for y'all.
We're like Kanye, but like less. You know what I'm saying? Like a fucking.
We're gonna do Sunday service, but it's gonna be Saturday and at like 4. Like, you know I'm not getting up. I'm not trying to do
it like wild shit.
And not everyone's gonna be wearing the same outfit shit.
Yeah.
Some nigga got a Nike jersey, someone got a Nick jersey, they got a Peralta shirt and shit. Niggas don't even know the same song and shit. I'm like, come on, we all say the same shit. Like,
come on, y'all.
Come on.
Fucking participate.
Got mad people on it. Got mad people on a hill in East Tremont. Like, yo. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Ray J. He comes out in all white.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Ray J, you know what I'm saying? King of R&B, you know what I'm saying? I don't give a fuck what everybody else say.
Ray J, thank you for being here for Saturday service.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yo, guess what though?
Can you,
know what I'm saying?
Can you say a benediction? Can you say a prayer?
Yo, listen, man. But before I will. I'll be glad to, happily. But before I do that, I would like to introduce y'all to my scooty bikes.
No.
You know what I'm saying?
Like,
I
we
also
need to pray right now. Like,
okay, just give me 1 second. I also have the bunny eyes.
We gotta be out of here in like an hour.
I got the bunny eyes. You know what I'm saying? It's like glasses.
Cut his mic off.
You could like flip them down.
Cut his mic off.
You could flip them down.
Cut.
You could flip them down. You know what I mean?
Get him out of here. Security.
You know what I'm saying?
Security.
Like, if you want sleep and shit like that, like you could like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
I knew this was gonna happen, so I have as a backup. I have Mims. Mims is here. This is why he's hot.
Hey,
this is why I'm hot.
This is why I'm hot. I'm sorry, that's Junior Reed. I'm Mims.
This is why I'm hot.
This is why I'm hot.
If you realize I'm in a hotel room and I don't know how to work the thermostat.
Yeah. I'm hot because I'm hot.
I'm hot because you not. I didn't watch Good Day New York and I walked outside with a jacket and
I'm hot because I had unprotected sex. Now my penis is very hot. You know what I'm saying? Out here.
Shout to Mims. His first song was This Is Why I'm Hot. I'm like, you set the bar very hard.
It's crazy.
Very high.
And the wildest shit to come out of that, like weird sidebar tangent, was that, remember Sicario?
Yes.
The Dominican dude that everybody said sound like Jay-Z?
Yes.
He had beef with Mims because he was just like, yo, you're not really from the Heights. Get the fuck out of here. Because, you know, he has a line like, I hate Wash Heights, but get the money in the bag.
Yeah.
And he's trying to like claim Washington Heights. Like, yo, I'm out here making moves. Yeah, I ain't making the money
that
work.
was weird because as someone not from Washington Heights, I did not give a shit.
Yeah, I was just like, yo, I was just like, my man, like, you're Canadian.
Oh, Mims is Canadian?
Yeah.
What?
Right? Sounds like, yeah, nigga, I DJ, but
Victor, fact check.
I don't be researching these niggas. I'm like, yo, I just researched if the shit slap or not.
His last name is actually Mims, so that's not made up.
Okay.
But it's saying he's an American rapper from New York City.
Wow.
This is Wikipedia.
Early life?
Origin Washington Heights.
Wow.
Well, I mean,
nigga wrote that shit himself.
Also, here's the thing.
Born into a Jamaican American family. What is this?
What?
He might be more heights than us.
Is he a hybrid, nigga?
Is he our kid? But here's the question.
Niggas just combine our chromosomes?
When did Wikipedia become the authority?
That's another thing. True. And that was the
two things that we trust in our life are TMZ and Wikipedia.
That's wild.
When did that happen?
I don't know.
No one's dead until TMZ says they're dead.
Yep.
And whatever Wikipedia says about you is a fact.
Yeah. Hey, yo, explain to me something, because I caught the tail end of this. I didn't catch the whole story. Maybe you did. Mm-hmm. The T.I. beef with TMZ? What is that about? Because his sister died. Okay. But she, OD'd on coke. Oh. And instead of just being like, yo, T.I.'s sister passed, TMZ was like, yo, this bitch was doing coke and had high blood pressure. Oh, shit. So T.I. was like, yo, why'd you do that? Because she was a private citizen. Every now and then she'd be on the show, but she wasn't on the show heavy like that. So I get what he's saying. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So it's if you find out, if I die from, audio asphyxiation, just be like, Jesus died. Yeah. Don't be like, yo, this nigga was in a corset with, fucking leggings on. And he had a belt around his neck. Check it out. I already got it on deck. I'm like, I have some really jarring news that I want to share with the Bodega Hive. Last night, around 10 p.m., we lost. Jesus Christ. That nigga was cross-dressing. No, he wasn't. You stop with those vicious lies. He had on fishnet stockings. Those are lies. He had on Fenty Beauty. Those are lies. He was a good Christian man. He wrote on his mirror before he died, I am a white man's whore. No, that is a lie. That was all planted by double agents from HBO trying to sabotage us. That was John Oliver's staff that did that. You know what I'm saying? Had nothing to do with us. He had a choker ball gag in his mouth. No, he did not. He did not. That was his sleep apnea machine. You don't know his pain. He had a Showtime Desus and Mero promotional anal plug in his butt. No, he did not. That was because he had a very severe traumatic experience riding on a horse when we did the Lil Nas X thing. This clip right here is just a little clip that shows before our show. Right after the shot. It's Showtime. I love that clip. They're like, yo, you're going to get some smart. You're going to get some witty. You know what I'm saying? They're like Desus and Mero. And I'm like, wow.
Showtime still hasn't realized we scamming the fuck out of them. Wow. Like, these niggas think we really doing a show. Like, we just stealing camera equipment, nigga.
Fraud, it's a fraud, it's a fraud.
Showtime gonna be sick when they realize we're just stealing camera equipment to shoot our underground real hip hop record.
Yeah.
It's a concept album where me and Mero go to Mount Everest to save hip hop.
Yeah.
Because we heard
saying?
the perfect verse exists on the top of Mount Everest.
On the top of my hip hop, you know what I'm saying? It's being held by the corpse of Percy P.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
So as we're climbing Mount Everest, like when we want to give up, like KRS-One shows up, like, you must climb! I'm like, oh shit. I'm like, I can't go any further, Mero.
Take another step up this mountain.
Wow. Something the 5 elements. I can still climb.
True.
I'm doing like wild backflips and shit on the top of Mount Everest. I'm kicking niggas over.
Niggas doing a turtle up the mountain and shit.
I'm doing the world.
Oh, that massive. Go,
we get to the top of Mount Everest is Mad Lion.
He's like, yo, I told you, take it easy.
What? Gotta take it easy. Whoa.
Yo, anybody that ever worked for Nervous Records is like, yes,
we got the reference.
Yes,
I told you the logo. It was a little nervous so the guy getting shot. But I mean,
yeah. With the vinyl cutting off his flat top was perfect.
I can't do this any further.
Yo, I'm so glad that I
got no more oxygen. And then out of nowhere, who shows up?
Oh shit!
The original Broadway, Dion Barnes.
Oh shit!
No friends.
Yo. What you want, nine? I just want to climb. What you want, nine? Man, I just want to climb. What you want,
I climb when I do, and I climb when I don't. It's a hip hop retrospective of Mount Everest. They're like, yo, 40 people on your production staff died making this shit. I was like, it's
I
worth
don't give a fuck.
It's worth it.
I don't give a fuck.
It's worth it.
We're gonna call it the Kings of Rock.
All right,
You
now
know
stop
what I'm
right
saying?
here. Niggas gonna smoke right here with like green boots. Niggas action on his boots like,
yo, fuck out of here,
fuck
nigga.
this dead nigga.
Oh, you a body couldn't be me, nigga. Sorry.
Yo, remember, these ain't even Balenciaga boots. Look at this nigga broke and dead.
Broke ass nigga.
Nigga died on Mount Everest.
They just shoot the nigga for no reason.
They don't have bodega murals on the side of Mount Everest. That would be the flex.
Green boots.
Yo,
mural?
we gotta go find someone who died on Mount Everest, and because you're nice with the graffiti, you take the wild tag on the side of Mount Everest.
Rest in peace, Green boots.
Matter of fact, let's just go there and tag up Bodega Boys.
Viral marketing, niggas suck my dick. You know what I'm saying?
How influential would that be in the graffiti world if you put a tag on Mount Everest?
Oh my god! I'll do the
Would
fat
you
time.
be?
I'll do
Would
the
you
fat time.
be?
I don't care.
Would you be the? Would you be the ultimate graffiti artist ever?
Probably.
Listen.
You know what I'm saying? I know what I'm saying. And then there's a lot of forefathers to this shit. You know what I'm saying? But Mount Everest is Mount Everest, but dog.
Let's start small. Let's I have you tag up on Wave Hill in Riverdale.
Oh, let's get it. I rolled down that shit on a class trip. I got wild nauseous.
You know what? We were supposed to go to Wave Hill one day, and we couldn't because it was raining OD. And like we were going back to school, and the school bus just stopped, and Chris Hayes just hopped off. He was like, "I live right here."
I live here. Bye.
I was like,
"Can you do
this
that?"
nigga live in Riverdale. Also, because I was a kid, I heard Riverdale, so I just assumed like he lived in like Venice with like mad rivers and shit.
I didn't know. That's
like,
Chris Hayes.
And the Boochie. I want to know Chef Boyardee's backstory.
Yo,
To what school was he in?
Poverty.
Because he clearly raised to the top of his ranks as an Italian chef. Yeah. But like, who was his rival? And I want to see him like in a cook-off and shit.
SpaghettiOs was his rival.
Whoa, you going Boyardee? Hey,
I'm going to make a meatball and spaghetti and meatball and listen to this. I have innovation. I put it in a can.
Nah, get out of here, Boyardee.
No, listen to me. It's going to be good.
No one ever put SpaghettiOs in a can. Get the fuck out of here.
It's a beautiful thing.
Who's the fucking guy?
You can study forever.
Get him out of here.
You can, no. You know what? Fuck you.
No, fuck you.
No, fuck you. Fangul you.
No, fangul you.
No, you mother.
Who is this fucking guy?
I'm going to go. You know what? I can't take this shit anymore. I'm going to go to America.
You know what? I'll see you at 16 o'clock. because we're using world time. Your ass is mine, bro.
Excuse me, let me check my sundial. Okay. In 5 hours, I will do that. But you know what? I'm going to get out of here and go to America and give everybody diabetes. Fuck you. I don't need these shit.
You know what? I don't need this. I'm going to swim away in my gondola.
Mate tutti.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. That right there and Perillo Tours is all we know about Italy.
Italy, straight up.
That is, and shout out to John Gotti Jr., my former employer. You know, that's all we know.
Yeah.
That's all we know.
You know what I'm saying? That's it.
That's it.
You know what I'm saying? And if you
we don't know much, but we know we're loud. There you go.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah. Don't ask us no questions.
As one of my ex's mothers said, he doesn't know a lot, but he's loud. So
wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
How you feel, Marilyn?
Shut up, my nigga. Shut up.
Hold that.
I know you be watching that Showtime show sick.
Tight.
Your daughter's still unmarried. Anyway,
hold that.
Every now and then, you know, you just gotta.
Yeah, you gotta light
every
up
now and then, you gotta get that Modern Warfare.
Yeah,
just you know, get that AC-10 out there. Yeah. People who are Treyarch or Sledgehammer, whoever's making the new Modern Warfare.
Is it? I always forget about that. I don't know how.
I saw on Kim Kardashian that we tried to fight Kanye's bodyguard. Like we were fucking wilding that day.
Fam. Show's not a game. Niggas was ready to risk it all. Is it Infinite War?
Cause you know what it is? Cause we are Sucio boys. That's just what we do. We just, we just out here.
Sucio gang. We don't care. We'll turn a condom inside out.
First single right there.
Just turn that shit inside out. Rinse the condom.
Ma? I'm gonna pee in your sink. Might steal your VCR. See, if someone steals your VCR, that's disrespectful.
Yeah.
Because if you still got a VCR in 2019, you going through things, you might need it. You might need it.
You definitely got a stack of fucking VHS tapes that you want to watch.
Well, Jada Pinkett Smith was saying she was addicted to porn. But at the time when she said she was addicted to porn, like that was like VHS shit. And you got to be the wild scumbag to be putting cassettes in to jerk off.
Hold on. Jada Pinkett Smith, she was addicted to porn like pre-dating Terry Crews?
Wait, what? She's married to Will Smith, nigga.
No. Pre-dating meaning like before Terry Crews came out and said that he was.
Oh no, she just said it now.
Oh, she just said it now. Oh, okay.
Red Table Talk, yeah.
That shit is messy.
That shit is messy as fuck.
Yo, but shouts to you for getting the Emmy nom off of a digital-only talk show.
Yeah.
I see.
Also, okay. Listen, time for some Hollywood talk. Hollywood boys. They sold out to the Hollywood boys. It is June 7th. Mm-hmm. Emmy voting is starting.
Yeah.
How are we feeling, guys?
So
are we about to be the first Bronx show nominated for an Emmy for late night greatness?
Huh?
Are y'all gonna lose your fucking mind if we are nominated? Are y'all gonna lose your fucking mind if we're not nominated?
You know what I'm saying?
How's the room feeling?
Are you gonna riot?
People, how we feeling? Victor, how you feeling?
I'm cautiously optimistic.
Okay. Victor, Mero, how you feeling?
I'm feeling like I'm gonna go up there. We're gonna go up there with Pele Leathers and fucking dunk on Ryan Gosling.
You know how I'm feeling? Steph Curry coming out the tunnel before the game.
You know what I'm saying?
That cocky, unnecessary shot he takes.
You know what I'm saying? A little shimmy.
Yeah.
The fucking full court three.
Victoria, we got this? Yeah. You don't even know what I'm talking about. All right.
She's like,
Diana, we got this? Yeah. Hassan, we got this? Yeah. Listen, when the Emmy nominations come out, I want all of y'all, if we don't win, burn everything down. Just burn America down.
Also, if you are an Emmy voter,
vote for us,
and you're a racist.
It's true. It's true.
Facts.
If you vote for any show other than us, you're racist. What other show? Like Trevor Noah, I love you, but you know
what I'm saying?
You know, call Cherise, she'll tell you. Like
it's a little different.
Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying? Capital B, lowercase b. You know what I'm saying? But we got this. That would be such a great moment for the Bronx. You know what? I don't even care. Low key, I do not care about like being on like big chat like CNN. No. I just want BronxNet. I want News Bronx 12. To be like, the Bodega Boys did it.
I want fucking Jessica Cunnington to come on News 12 and be like, the Bodega Boys, our very own Bronx Bodega Boys.
I want my Jamaican girl Asha to be like, yes, big things are going on.
Yeah, big things are going on.
Big things are going
Yo, the Bodega Boys, them.
Listen, if we win, we're coming to the News Bronx 12 studio with the actual Emmy. With the actual Emmy.
Y'all got Emmys, we're going to get some Emmys. We're going to link up. Emmys link up.
Also, shout out to the newest beer garden in Port Morris.
Oh, shit.
Bricks and Hops.
Woo.
Which listen, we got a beer garden in the Bronx.
Bricks and Hops?
Bricks and Hops. And they didn't do some wild shit and be like bricks and hip hop.
It's a little misleading.
There was like bricks and hops. You know what I'm saying? It's not bricks. But if you need bricks, we be in the back talking that talk.
You know what I'm saying? Boss talk.
Also, and listen, I'm gonna show my age here. J. Cole did a verse where he was just like, verse by me costs a brick or some shit like that. Right. And people were breaking down how much that would mean in real life. And everyone on Twitter was like, yeah, 21K. And I was like,
21K?
I was like, what happened? Like that Mickey Mouse meme. I'm like, what happened? What happened?
Huh?
I'm like, no, bricks are not 21. 21.
I turned to the Mario meme like, look at this nigga.
21.
Like, what?
21, maybe 21 was maybe 92?
Fam,
94?
If you would have told my dad 21 in 1982, he would have been like, woo! Let's get it. I'm about to Gregory Hines all over this shit.
If a brick was 21,000, there would be no podcast right now.
There would not be.
That's on God.
On everything, bro.
Okay, me and Mero will be in jail after we killed the Connect.
Everything, bro.
21. The cheapest I saw was like, at one point it was 38.
Yeah. That's like the absolute cheapest, bro.
Yeah, that was a good deal.
And
that was Washington Heights.
And that was 38. That was 38. And I'm Dominican, and I will go up there and niggas will hit me over the head for 40.
Exactly. And we're not bullshit because we talked about it with Taxstone, and you know, real niggas do real things.
You know what I'm saying?
Free the homie. But our criminal background checks out. Also, we don't have to prove anything to Twitter niggas because we Twitter niggas who are no longer Twitter niggas because we use Twitter to no longer become Twitter niggas. Y'all niggas is sick.
You stupid. Like 50 Cent said at the end of a mixtape song, get a fucking beer, get on the corner, you fucking dirtbag. Yo, nigga, we glowed up.
50 also told us that 9/11 seriously disrupted the brick market.
It did.
Hey, motherfucking. Because get ready for Parmatic. Like, motherfucking fucking A-Rabs flew the plane to the building. Nigga, coke price went up 10 grand this fucking week.
Here, let me expound on what 50 was saying. Because after 9/11, not only were no planes flying anymore. Remember, they grounded all the planes for 4 days.
Now they're super checking niggas.
But after 9/11, they inspected every vehicle that entered Manhattan. Every vehicle, not just trucks, every vehicle that entered Manhattan. So if you had any kind of contraband on it, you couldn't be on the road. So niggas was just like, yo, shit is top. If you had shit, you had to sit on it. And then if you're a smart drug dealer, if there's a drought, you sit on your shit and you wait because the price is going to go up. And then niggas was running out left and right.
Fam,
that drought was serious.
Let's tell you what happens when it's a drought. You can sit on your shit, boy. You can break off a little chunk, nigga. Chop that shit down to death, niggas.
There you go.
Fucking do the 8-town stomp on that shit.
Put the B12 on that shit.
And that next
a little
still
baby powder,
a
little rat poison. Woo!
That next time still gonna be chirping, nigga. You crazy?
Right?
You crazy?
The feet still gonna be doing the Thriller dance.
Niggas can come to your door with all type of shit. Yo, I got an iPod mini, nigga. What's good?
What's up?
Let me get a 20.
What's up? This shit got an Ashley Simpson song on it.
Let's go.
Let's go. The Emmy people would be like, yeah, so the Emmy goes to late night hosts and former crack dealers. But Jay-Z is a billionaire. Shout to him. Shout to him. He's a billionaire.
I will say though, I never saw crack because I was informed by Bleep that you do more time. Shout out to the wiser men in my family. You would do more time.
The Rockefeller laws.
Yeah, the Rockefeller laws. You would do more time for crack than for coke.
Me and Devon had that shit shaking on Jerome Ave. Anyway, but no.
Yo!
Shit.
Yo, make sure your niggas is solid. Because when you send them up to fucking Columbus, Ohio with the pack, nigga, and they get caught up by the state troopers up there, and they fucking straight chancleta on you, nigga, and you doing 20.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It's a dangerous life.
This is a hot take, but jail is whack.
Jail is fucking trash.
You know what? They should let you have Twitter in jail.
You know what this? Yo,
You should get an iPad. You should be able to have social media in jail.
Yup. They should let niggas live tweet jail.
Yeah.
Live tweet jail, nigga. That's the scared straight for the new millennium.
Thing that they're saying that Paul Manafort, because he's going to Rikers. You know that, right?
Yeah.
So, but then like,
I'd love to see that.
Everyone's like, he's going to solitary. He's not going to solitary. He's going to PC.
Come on. That's where all the chimos be at.
The chimos, dirty cops, and gang snitches.
Yep.
So he'll be all right. That's his people.
Yeah.
He's not in no solitary.
You know what I'm saying?
He's not. I mean, like, you should close Rikers. Apparently, yes, but fuck him. Like, you been wilding.
You know what I'm saying?
People wild. There's.
I bet you there's one gang snitch in there that wishes that like his gang knew about like Trump and like didn't fuck with Trump and shit and be like, yo, son.
Yo, if I hit this nigga,
yo, I'm gonna chop this nigga. I'm gonna chop this nigga.
Why? The guy sells carpets.
The white dude?
Yeah.
That nigga sells pillows.
Yeah.
Why you gonna chop him for?
That nigga got ostrich jacket.
The fuck you talking about? He's not Trinidadian nigga. He's not Crip. The fuck you gonna chop that nigga for? Fuck out of there, you fucking rat.
That's wild because there's basically a unit in like he's basically in the same unit as Junior's Killers. Think about that.
That is wild.
PC. They're all in PC.
Ooh.
What do you want?
Yeah.
Jail's different. Jail's different.
Yeah.
Jail's not that Law and Order shit where niggas is like joke about like prison rape and shit. It's some different shit.
And PC stands for Pussy Coalition.
Also, like growing up, I always learned that. It was always like, yo, like going to jail was like college. It was like, it's not if, it's when. And it was just like, yo,
am I gonna get a free ride?
It was like when you go in there, you hold that shit down, you rep the block heavy.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? Niggas from 233 don't snitch, and you do your shit.
That's it.
And I was just like doing my little push-ups, like, well,
nigga, try you, punch him in the face.
You know what I'm saying?
No questions asked. Don't say a word, just hook off.
Also, but not saying I'm soft, but nothing feels better than you being locked up with your boys. Woo!
Oh man,
game changer.
Because you know what it is,
nigga. Y'all playing Mario Kart Party now,
you know what I'm
nigga.
saying? Hell yeah. Yo, shout out to Nace, B. I love Nace forever for that, man. You know what I'm saying? Niggas be in the shop, be talking cash shit. This big ass nigga behind me. I'm like, yeah.
What's up?
Yeah.
What's up?
Yo, no. Swing that joint over here. Over here. Stop fucking playing with me, nigga. Stop fucking playing with me. You know what I'm in here for, nigga? I almost killed the cop. It's actually,
that was the wrong button.
It's actually graffiti, but you know what I'm saying? But I almost killed the cop, nigga. What's up?
You gotta lie about your charges.
Oh yeah, all day.
Can't be in there like I'm in here for tax evasion. Like,
Yeah, nah.
I tried to shoot Trump.
Nah, I murdered Giuliani, nigga. What's up? On Facebook Live. Niggas were like, no, you didn't. That nigga was he's on the TV right now.
Oh man,
I can recognize that racist teeth anywhere.
Oh, this is a problematic. Are they problematic? Good. I think the whole thing about problematic is like, if it's unexpected.
Yeah.
But at this point, you know what you're getting, baby.
You know what you're getting. Come on, baby.
Listen, we've been in this relationship a long time. You know what it is. I'm leaving the toilet seat up.
Come on, baby.
I'm having a conversation with you when you're taking a shit.
Exactly. You know what I'm saying?
mean?
You brushing your teeth and shit.
You know what I mean?
You over here brushing your teeth, over here taking a shit.
I'm doing wild shit like you cooked a wild big meal and I come in with Wendy's. I'm sorry.
That'll just binge eat, like,
You know what I'm
passive
saying?
aggressively, like, yo, then throw up. And you're like, yo, you okay?
You got your book club. I come in wild drunk off a nutcracker. Like, yo, what's up? What's up with that pussy at? Let me like, that shit up, ma.
So grab a titty in front of everybody. They're like, oh my God.
Open your mouth. Let me spit in it, ma.
Yeah.
What's up?
Excuse me, you're reading our novel.
Nah, she about to read this dick. What's up? She about to read this big ass dick. What's up? What's up? Like, drink a little bit of that rosé and make your throat loose.
The crazy shit about Heather's book club is that
Heather has a book club?
she goes to book club, and I actually get nervous because she goes to book club and they drink mad wine.
That's how you got to do
And
a
then
book
she
club.
comes home and she's
she
just
be
like,
she be twisty.
yeah, like what's good?
She comes home and she's like, give me that cock.
Yeah. I'm like, yo,
I'm a person. I'm an individual.
I'm like,
start holding your nipples and shit. Like
romance me.
ask me about my day.
Don't just grab my balls.
Give me that big Dominican dick. Oh, you shy? Like she harassing you in the house. Yo, give me that culo.
Yo, pa.
You look right in them jeans. Come over here.
You got that big dick energy, nigga.
Yo,
What's
get
up?
over here, nigga. What's up? Let me chew on them chains, nigga. Oh, you scared? Get over here, bitch. Yo, over here. Let me see that cooler. What's up? Oh, wow.
I just looking straight ahead like,
wow. Oh, you too stuck up to talk to anyone?
Oh my God, wow.
Wow, you Dominican bitch.
Oh my God.
You can't handle all this pussy.
Just don't look. Just don't look.
This nigga gay. Fuck this nigga.
Just don't look. Just don't look.
Fuck this nigga.
Just keep walking forward.
I'm gonna see you by the bathroom, nigga.
Just keep walking forward. Keep walking forward. You're in your own house. Just keep. Just 2 laps.
Are we allies? I don't think we are. I don't think we are. We're ally adjacent, but we're not.
We're almost there. We're almost there.
Oh,
we're almost there.
We're the guy in the wheelchair and Boys in the Hood because he never bust a gun when Ricky got killed. Also, he's getting his dick sucked by crackheads.
You know what I'm saying? So
okay, wait. I think I'm mixing Medicine Society.
Yeah.
Somewhere Ava DeRay is like, what? Jesus.
Excuse me?
She said don't call her auntie.
Don't call her auntie? She takes offense to that? I mean, I feel like you should.
But we know someone famous, so we're not going to put her on blast now, who said do not call her auntie. She does not like it when you do it on her Instagram comments. So don't be calling her older. You know what it is? Because to you it's cute, but people do not like to be reminded of their mortality.
It's ageist.
It's ageist. It's ageist.
You know what I'm saying?
Because to everyone, being auntie is a endearing term, but you think about auntie as like the chick in your family that doesn't have no kids, or some shit like that. Spinster. She living her best life, but she's kind of sad. Like, you know,
she's like, I wish I could find a good man at Essence Fest.
Mm-hmm. You know, you gotta stop with this fucking Essence Fest. You gotta stop. Cause listen,
Jazz Fest? Can we do Jazz Fest?
You can do Jazz Fest.
Jazz Fest, I bet.
I wanna host Essence Fest and be like, give it up for her.
By the time we host Essence Fest, we'll be like, give it up for SZA.
SZA
2. Her niece.
Shut up, my nigga. Shut up.
Oh man.
Yeah.
How are we allowed to do podcasts though?
Yo, shut the
Why
Essence Fest.
Showtime never was like, yo, you can't do no more podcasts, but you know what? This shit is.
We don't give a fuck. We do what I want. You know what I'm saying? We let our nuts hang.
Now you do what I want. Also, shout to was it Little Uzi Vert that has the wild transphobic song?
Yes. Wow. Hold up. What was it? I had it on
You
here.
had it. You know what?
It just played randomly on shuffle, and I was like, wait, what did this sing?
The thing is, like, we don't like. Usually, we're not like that guy to be like, yo, this shit is wild. But that shit caught us off guard.
That shit was very wild.
Because the thing is, like, if you listen to transphobic music by the Art of Association, you are transphobic. Because if you can listen, you know, it's weird because it's like it's a marginalized group and they have like a lot of black trans women were killed recently in like Texas and shit like that, and just like that shit's not cool. Like people shouldn't. It sounds very basic.
The first shit oh man, okay.
Because it was like it was a lot. Do you know how to Google or what?
Any song? I'm just trying to find the title of the song.
Go Mero. Go Mero. Go Mero. I left my computer.
I hate when fucking headlines do like, Little Uzi under fire for transphobic lyrics, a new song. What's the fucking name of the song?
Well, that's called clickbait. We need that. As a former journalist, that's what we used to make you guys click on our articles.
God damn.
Do you really want to read about an article that I wrote about like Smoothie King? About like they're doing recruiting? Like, you don't want to read that shit. So I'd be like, Smoothie King hates black people. Now you're like, what?
What?
Now you click it, I'm like, nah, nigga, psych. But if y'all want a Smoothie King franchise, like, here, just sign up right here.
Oh, there we go. Here we go. Yes.
Watching Mero use a computer is like watching someone fresh out of jail use a computer.
Yo.
I'm like, I just want him to. Oh, you're playing the actual song?
Strings attached, that's a rack, that's a rack. No strings attached, that's a rack, that's a rack. Water on my neck, swim through that, that's a lap. Fuck from the back, hit her once, that's a rap. No strings attached, that's a rack, that's a rack. No strings attached, that's a rack, that's a rack. Water on my neck, swim through that, that's a lap. Fendi knapsack, why I'm spitting Fendi facts. I don't want you back, you a thought, you a
Come on, get to it, pal.
just like his bitch ass, stuff a nigga will get clapped. Put a pause on that, you still broke, you ain't back. No strings attached, that's a rack, that's a rack. No strings attached, that's a rack, that's a rack.
Come on!
No strings attached, that's a rack, that's a rack. No strings attached, that's a rack, that's a rack.
Okay, all right.
The white, turn on 10, never
I'm not gonna.
ever again.
Oh, here we go. Here it is.
I had a feeling in my hand. All my bitches No, I do not fuck no fans. I check my DMs, found out she was a man. No, I can't DM, never ever again. Lucid on my vision, that's the only thing that's trend.
Yeah, you know the problem is, it's not that like he's allowed to, I guess, feel that way. It's problematic. But the thing is, like, why would you make that like the hook?
Wow, why would you put it in the song?
Why would you? What's it? Who are we?
Who are we to judge?
Who are we the judge to be but Peter Buttigieg? Booty, rocking everywhere.
Rocking everywhere. Rocking everywhere.
I found you, Pete Buttigieg there.
People
Wait, I had something here.
It took me like 4 seconds to
You get the joke.
sing it. Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
All right. Well, this has been episode 161st. It might be our best episode. Might be our worst episode.
You know what I'm saying? You never know.
It might be. It's not mid. I know that much.
Nah, never.
You're gonna have a strong opinion about this one.
Never. Yeah.
You either think we're like allies or phobes. Or, I don't know.
Phobilize.
Our new Christian rap group. Man for man.
Can't get that wrong.
Bun down. Yo, it's Pretty Boy Jesus Light, aka Young Chipotle, your pocket stay fat like cereal, your pocket face stat like what?
What? Here we go.
That's gonna take us far.
Yeah, it is.
Now someone was like, Jesus, you removed Chris Stats for Sling Dick, but you still have Sloping Down My Know You Bitch, who was like one of the biggest leaders of like genocide, and I was like, fuck you. You don't change my
Niggas in the hood don't know that, so it doesn't matter.
What's wrong with y'all people?
Yeah.
How dare y'all?
How dare you disrespect?
How dare y'all? Y'all watch the art. Y'all don't touch it. When you go to the Louvre, are you allowed to touch the Mona Lisa?
No.
Are you allowed to put mascara on the Mona Lisa?
No.
No. You see the art, you view the art, you don't interact with the art.
That's right.
Okay?
And whoever said that, my response to them is, who?
Exactly. Some of them I know you, but Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Take Fuego, Mr. Nando's with a Rondo. Get that peri sauce. Yeah.
Yeah.
Send that,
And
send
back
that
at the turn,
bird
too.
back to her council house. You know what I'm saying? She looked hot, but she was fit.
She's proper fit, mate.
She's proper fit, mate, with her trainers. Yeah. 1994 in Nueva York. Yeah. I could be on Channel 41. Mikhail going off the Juve boss. MC Luke going to put up for 40 with your shorty. AKA don't talk to me in the Uber. I don't know
not
you.
at all.
The original +1 guy, +1 don't make a fuss on.
Nah,
Did you
don't do
see
it.
that Uber is about to do helicopters?
Wow.
$200 to LaGuardia or JFK.
What?
I fucks with that.
I fuck with that
I
so
fuck with
heavy.
that heavy. The problem is,
You gotta go somewhere.
are these
to go
like
there.
real helicopters or just like
the
niggas?
little bubble shits that we were in before?
No, like it's just like niggas that were driving Ubers flying helicopters.
Oh yeah, nah.
Like,
Then I'm not with it.
I feel like a Dominican might just turn a Camry to a helicopter. and shit. They can't get in, Boppy.
Nah. You pull
Put your
up
head down the rotors.
Nah, you pull up in a Honda Accord with a rotor on top, nigga, and talking about, Boppy, you going to the airport? I'm like, nah, I'm not.
Yo, D's Rossi and the Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pilot, goes to Mufasa, Young Charcuterie without the coonery. Can I just say right now, charcuterie plates are a waste. If I'm about to go on TV, why do I just want salami? Why would I just want a random piece of Swiss?
You know what I'm saying? Charcuterie has to be. You can't just throw anything. You can't just go to BJ's and get the charcuterie like spread.
Speak on it.
You know what I'm saying? You got to get the good shit.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? We Bodega Boys. You know what I'm saying? We glowed up. You know what I'm saying? You need a good cut of prosciutto. You know what I'm saying? You need some
Prosciutto.
good,
You know what
a
it
nice
is.
Gruyere. You know what I'm saying?
Something soft. Something that will hurt my stomach.
You feel me?
3 Phone Jones, DJ Machina, J Chuckle, Stanley Cups, the human Dr. Bonner's label, that loot.
Yeah.
Do not trap you. Mr. 240p because like my Pinot Blurry.
Yeah.
DJ Bula, aka listen to Watch FM. Now, if you look, and I don't have my laptop in front of me, so I can't play any deep hip hop references. So I gotta take one off the top of my head.
Oh. Give it to him. Hit him with it. Deep cut. You know what I'm saying?
Who's the guy that did your chain hang low?
Jibs.
Does
your chain hang low?
Does it wobble to and fro?
Can you
go?
turn
Yeah. Shout out to Jibs. Shout out to Jibs. I'm sure he has a new album coming out right now.
Yeah.
That he's
on SoundCloud.
burning copies at his job on CDRs. Yeah.
Shout out to Stables.
D. Curry Goat, DJ Spicer, Jamal Hatchburn, the Bronx Dion, Ray Nephew's nephew, the Moreno. You cannot contain him. Don't put me in the container.
No.
Shout out to Container Store. Container Store got the new black fucking drop front secret boxes. Thank you. I just have to order like 900 of them. This is whack. But thank you for being diverse.
You know what I'm saying?
The Human Mary, where the job? Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Hedwig Butthole, Nelson Bankdella, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffin, the Human World is melting in your mouth, Mr. Bexel, Decatin, Mr. Ricky Scrobby, Greg Popovich, More Sage Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, Maccabee.
But he got what?
The cucumber.
That's right.
The juices are pressed, but your boy is what?
Never is.
Damn it. I am that. Yeah. The Dundalliga News, no more cup of noodles, the Prince of Pekin, the Fashion Nova, Cash Nova. We made 10, 5, 10, 10, $10. Forget the small change, give me big money. One. The only anthem I salute is what? Dipset. Shout out to Canada having the wild slapping national anthem, and I made our shit look like Wild Cheeks.
Yeah.
Our shit is whack.
Yeah.
Our shit is whack.
Yeah,
our shit is like when you in the car and someone's like, yo, pass that ox, I got that new Logic.
Yo, oh God. Yeah.
Did you know that Logic is mixed? All right.
Wow,
Mr. Sacker, catch me at square one, top left, Mantis March, Rivers of the Holy Cow. Are you stupid or are you dumb? Shout out to Toronto. Mr. Soft Punch, all I do is count checks and jerk off. I got OJ Purple Stuff Soda, and it's me, Sunny D, David Yerman, DJ Spencer, DJ Red Bobby, these are blood issues. Smokeem Noah, no longer with the Knicks, but I'm still smoking on that. Hey, in the middle of the barn. Andrew Cool Nana, that's right. Only I can wear Fendi and kill you. The Junior Energy God Jr. Come sit down upon me, charging.
See putty.
I'm not talking about that external, ma. You must be a toast. Call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze. Cheers. That's not even the dog I came in here with. The topic of gossip is Sayasa. Oh, yeah. Shout out to the 11791. Shout out to Master Peaker Park and Big Time Tommy and DJ Vinny Dice. Take it easy. AKA Grandpa Joe. For life. Because when you see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch that golden ticket because Charlie will chop you.
You know what I'm saying?
He has 4 box cutters built into his hand.
That's right.
Don't get caught.
And they're retractable.
Your man Dead-Eye Jesus Morning Sheriff. Mr. Shopping at Street Leads with Bad Breezes like I'm easy. Please believe me. I'm still out here looking at real estate, you know what I'm saying? Don't feel right paying $1 million for 1 bedroom in Harlem, but we'll do what we do. The Black Asiatic Addict will crack your back like an automatic Craftmatic. When you hear those joints crack, you know what it is? Call your union rep and tell them you're not coming to the potluck. Because why? Jesus blew your back out.
Man. Vertebrae injuries.
Grandma, you all right? Yeah. Bodega Boys was just in my church. Mr. Lamarina, the mesmerino, the freshman misdemeanor, cold demeanor, aka the sheet mask killer, Illa. No one could be Illa. Also, most of my sheet masks probably have asbestos in it because I get them from China, but this is what it is.
It's all good.
Oh, the black Zach Morris of Port Morris, you know what it is? Catch me Ebonology, bro. Aka your problematic babe. Listen, if all your family's alcoholics, it doesn't hurt anyone.
Yeah.
All right.
Everybody's just rocking together.
Everyone's rocking together. Up next. Woo! We got the pride of DR. The illegitimate son of Babe Ruth. Woo! He just took a face full of cassava. Woo! He's about to rip it down. Woo! His heart's not pumping, but it might start again in a minute.
Let's go.
Get up for the Kid Mero.
Yo!
Yeah! Thank you for coming to Pierogi Fest.
Is he want to Kid Mero, aka the Human Direct Flap, aka Donovan McDab, you know what I'm saying, aka Curve Gotti, aka Triz Khalifa, you know what I'm saying, aka Skirt Loader, jump the curb, hit your fucking border collie and keep it moving, nigga, ask me if I give a fuck, nigga, I don't care, nigga, I don't care that the fucking dog got a higher SAT score than me, I ain't no fucking baby, I'm fucking mang, my nigga, you know what I'm saying, aka no need to check the guest list, I am the motherfucking guest list, I played the Rock's left nipple in Scorpion King 2, don't fucking touch me, yo Nate, shoot this nigga's toenails off, fuck out of here, aka CC Dab Bathia, you know what I'm saying, I'm smoking that THC A that looks like might be meth, but we're gonna try it out, see what happens. AKA get into the shmoney and the smoke. It's your boy Goldman Schmack. Yeah. Yo, I just said fuck it and bought Fordham University in its entirety so all my kids can go there for free and also knock down the fence so everybody can openly enjoy blunts and drink nutcrackers on the lawn because I'm the fucking dad of the year, also a man of the people. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? AKA Ben Smack Beyond Boy, AKA Diego Maradona, AKA Dick in your baby on top of you. Don't come with this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me. You know what I'm saying? AKA Javid Trisdale, pow, they can take that for data. RJ Barrett gonna be rookie of the year. KD the Knickerbocker MVP. Book it. You know what I'm saying? AKA Barlow's antenna so smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip car. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? AKA the Dominican Dendada Techman Daddy. You know what I'm saying? Catch me with the hookah holes in my mouth. Hey, yo. AKA swipe my card again. There's definitely money on it. Don't make me embarrass you in front of your fucking management when they come up here and ask for quick selfies and ask me how the kids is doing. You Hyra. You like your little Western beef cashier job you send you? They put the fucking go. Excuse me, nigga. You're not really about to talk to me like that. Fuck out of here.
Listen,
you're not about to talk to me. No, you're not.
Inject.
You're not gonna talk to me like that, nigga. Fuck
we
that.
are not slandering Western beef.
No. Fuck out of here.
Keep it moving.
No.
I'll fuck with Western beef harder than I'll fuck with this podcast.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay? Sometimes I want 2-day-old bread.
Yo, you know what I'm saying? Put the fucking Goya products in the back and keep it moving, B. You know what I'm saying? AKA Romeo Santos.
Oh, wow.
Tu favorito. I danced J Velvet OD sexually with your moms on stage at United Palace. I'm so nasty.
Oh,
You gonna find out. I got Chelsea boots, nigga. I don't care. AKA Light Now Touchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eye that you're broke and take out 5.
Not even 5?
Not even 5. I'm sure they're going to stop printing $5 bills pretty soon. You know what I'm saying? They're going to make $5 coins.
Oh, you rich.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Well, actually, not really. Well, I'm house broke. AKA Light Now Touchy. I did it already. AKA Tom Brady, you're gonna got my balls more deflated than Bobby Crafts. You know what I'm saying? AKA feel the ass sites that I want to explore your Cosmos mouth, but consensually, of course. You know what I'm saying? Because
always.
That's how we do things.
Because if not,
you know what I'm saying? We respect our queens. You know what I'm saying? AKA Lil Snoozy Vert, first nigga to tap on online, been doing it. You know what I'm saying? AKA Frino, Messi MVP of Gelato. You know what I'm saying? AKA Zeniel Bettyfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks so I can sleep on this fucking flight to LA. You know what I'm saying? AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you
to what?
To smoke with me. Where? At Mama Sushi.
Where we took Pete Buttigieg.
Exactly. With Mayor Pete, nigga. You know what I'm saying? You don't know him. You know what I'm saying? AKA Ben Boston.
Thump.
My hands are gifted. Have you ever reconstructed the chest cavity of an elderly man using only Big Macs and taco bowls? I've done it with Trump twice this week. Fuck with your boy. Candy, get the strap and the scalpel. I think this nigga's going down again. AKA open your medicine cabinet because you know who the fuck it is, nigga. It's the Zen Man. AKA Rico Sabroso. AKA Lucius Lioness, nigga. Man, come on, listen, baby. I was having intercourse with this woman because she said it was her dying wish, man. Cook it. Come on, back, man. Come on. Please, no, put the gasoline down, baby, man. Come on now. AKA Baby New 425 niggas got garbage down the way. AKA Nino Brown shot to cut her down. You know what I'm saying? Got your girl bagging up butt Neil Z. You know what I'm saying? AKA live from the Wendy's on Williamsbridge Road is the East Tremont Stevie B standing in the drive-thru serenading all customers with his greatest hits. I wanna be the one your TT is fucking in exchange for some fries and a courtesy cup of water. AKA yo, listen, mate. Let me tell you something, mate.
Slander.
You know what I'm saying, mate? Listen, I want you to understand one thing, mate. It's only 2 rock stars left in this world. They're all dead. You know what I'm saying? It's only 2. Steve Snipes and the Kid Mero. And I am him. The plantains you've been over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont with a bottle of lean that I stole from Judy. You know what I'm saying? AKA I met my friend says I'm never gonna fail. AKA chill out the crib of edibles, balancing his portfolio with moderate risk investments. It's Barmelos Anthony. Let's invest in Google. Bang! If you see me at Target higher than Bol doing jumping jacks on a ladder on the moon, clearly violating the no smoking rule, approach me like a motherfucker earth sign mammal nigga. I may react erratically. You know what I'm saying? AKA, hey kids, it's Ben to the Clan. Hire for me for your kid's birthday party. I'll pee on myself and fucking leave with your deposit. Bye. AKA, I so fake into your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high off Swabby Dell and some Soda Stream shit I got at Five Below. You know what I'm saying? The shit was on sale. Nigga, fuck out of here. I ain't even trying. And you know how we do at this point in time. Hasan, tírame la pista, coño. Oye, que lo que llegale al flow, coño. Llegó el directo de FIFA. Lo más lindo que ha salido de Man City después de Don Tito. El motor del maquinón. Tú sabes que lo que es, mamá huevo, para mandarte a callar. You know what I'm saying? Di algo. You know what I'm saying? Al principio mucha gente me quiso subestimar y ahora están llamando para grabar. Qué tripero. Tengo un flow del diablo que hasta Satanás está quillao. Shout out Cash Shop, you know what I'm saying? Shout out Showtime, you know what I mean? Shout out to my Miami's, buddies, you know what I'm saying? We coming. Que están preñados después del festival. You know what I'm saying? Because this shit is going to air on Monday and a lot of y'all going to be pregnant on Sunday. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. The parade is going to be lit.
You know what it is?
Y como siempre, shout out Luck Smith, you know what I'm saying? Si tú no tienes cuarto, que es tu fucking casa, you know what I'm saying? Lambiéndote el hoyo del culo, mamá huevo. Shout out DJ Hasan, enseña que pone la nota. Shout out Víctor Shampoo, el timón del vehículo. Shout out Basti, shout out Jubilee, shout out Dímelo. Shout out las nenas de la bodega, Dayan y Victoria, la Angelita y la Diablita. Shout out mi presidente Pío, secretario de Defensa activo con el cañón. Avísame que lo suelto, pay. Me quité, ya. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, what he said. I'm a bacon, egg, and con queso. Anyway, it's been episode 161st.
Yeah.
Shout out to 161 in the Bronx.
saying?
You know what it is. Shout out Cash App. Be sure to go to bodegahive.com.
That's
There's
right.
tickets available for the live tour. You know what it is.
saying?
Be sure to check out the #1 show in late night for your Emmy consideration.
saying?
Monday and Thursday is the best show on TV. I put my dick against that.
Right.
You know what it is.
Let me tell you something.
Okay.
Where we going? We going to Miami.
You know what it is.
Austin.
Oh.
Dallas. Houston.
We out here.
And another one.
Also, sorry to tell you, the LA show is sold out. So, I mean, unless we're benevolent and do like another LA show.
Maybe. If y'all
want that,
If y'all
you know
want
what I'm saying?
that, you know what I'm saying? We can
If y'all want that, go on Taylor Swift's page and drop a mouse emoji. All right,
Yeah.
161st. We out. Boom.